Welcome back, guys, to another video here at Automotive Therapy. So in today's video, we have a package from F8X Freaks. They are a F80, F82 platform that sells a lot of performance, carbon fiber parts, and just, a lot of good stuff for these cars. So I am super excited to open this up because I've got two new pieces of carbon fiber that we are going to be throwing on my M4. So real quick, guys, if you want to help support my channel and help support F8X, go ahead and check out the link down below. If you want to purchase or shop around on any of their products like the ones we're going to be installing today, just use that link down below and you'll be able to get taken care of, and it also helps support the channel. So that will be linked down below, but yeah, let's get into it. Guys, we are going to unbox this package. I actually opened this earlier today because I was excited on it, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop it out. As you can tell, I've already opened it, but that's okay. So this is a piece of carbon fiber that goes around the gear selector. Right now that is silver and plastic, so we're gonna go ahead and use some adhesive tape, heat that up, and place that on top of it. So we're gonna see how that looks and fits. Secondly, I'm super excited about this. We have the DCT gear selector in carbon fiber, and it looks really nice, feels good. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that with the silver plastic shifter that is currently on my car. But yeah, this is real carbon fiber and it feels high quality, so it should clean up the look. So we also got some stickers, those are pretty cool, as well as a business card. Make sure you check out these guys on Facebook and Instagram. But yeah, let's hop into it. Okay guys, so hopping into the M4. So this is what we've got so far. We have the silver plastic, which doesn't really match the rest of the carbon fiber. So we're gonna be taking off this piece first, this plastic piece. And yeah, we're gonna remove the silver and put the new carbon fiber on it. And then the carbon fiber right here is actually gonna just sit on top of the factory one, and it's gonna use an adhesive tape for that. It really is spot on and it's gonna match really well. So, I mean, it looks very OEM. I went ahead and used some masking tape and outlined the panel right here. Just because we're going to be using a thin flat head and we're going to be slowly peeling this off, and don't want to damage the factory trim just in case I ever want to use that again. So yeah, just not something that you have to do, but if you want to keep it nice and clean, I would recommend it. Okay guys, so after about 10 minutes of being as gentle as I can, which I do recommend you getting a plastic trim removal tool instead of this metal flathead, because it feels like it's just causing a little bit of damage. But I was able to pop this off and you can see the adhesive right there. But yeah, it's all off. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off this screw, and I will let you know what size that is in just one moment. With a hair dryer, since I don't have a heat gun, and then I'm gonna put the piece of glass that sits on top of it, and it should stick and look OEM. Guys, so we've got the new carbon sitting on nicely. I've got that screw back in. Again, that's a T5 screw. So now I've heated up the adhesive and I'm gonna press the piece of glass, and it should finish everything. So guys, I've got it fully on. That piece of glass is not going anywhere. It looks and it feels really good, so I'm super stoked on that. Now we're gonna get the adhesive tape and get it on the trim piece right here, which I've already started, and press that sucker on. Sorry if it looks messy. I was strategizing and trying to get it in every single corner, but I'm gonna go ahead and heat that up with a hair dryer and firmly press it on there, and it should finish everything from there. So guys, that is going to end this video. Just look how amazing that carbon fiber looks. It looks so much better, guys. I can't even express how like big of a change this is for the interior. Yeah, just such a nice contrast with the rest of the carbon fiber. So if you guys want to get this for your car, please use the link down below, and it's going to help support the channel. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.